Cinema Goggles. I'm Yugina.
And I'm Vishali.
And this is our another BTS reaction. But this time it's going to be their first MV. No
Yes,
More Dream.
I am very excited for this one.
After this song, No More Dream, they actually gave Army Dreams. That's the whole point. Okay, that there was a pun intended. It's bad. I know. So let it be. Just chuck it. Anyway,
No,
yeah, you were
but
saying
okay,
something.
I'll take that.
Thank you.
But I am actually really excited. I'm looking at, in the thumbnail, I'm looking at Jimin. Oh my god.
That's
What
Jimin.
is he
I
like?
thought that's RM. I literally thought that's RM.
That's Jimin.
Oh my god.
And he's looking like a 15-year-old, to be honest. But okay, I am very excited for this one. Like, first song ever. Like the
That's
beginning
how-
of the
Yeah.
legend.
The
Yeah, okay.
beginning of the
I
BTS
think without
era.
further ado, we should get into the video.
Yeah.
Okay. Old intro. Such, like, I'm already getting nostalgic by this.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Jin!
Oh, Jin!
Oh god.
Always creating
What is happening?
commotion.
BTS bus. Wow, Arya. Look at the intro! Jimmy! I'm sorry. Oh my god, J-Hope looks so hot. Wait,
Where's Sugar?
Jagger. Yeah, let's go!
That was a boom. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay. Oh my god, look at him! Okay, I have to say. Look at his goggles. Like his face.
알았어 엄마 지금 독서실 간다니까
Oh my god!
He just looks the same.
Possibly.
He looks
Okay, I have to
the
say,
same.
J-Hope is looking fine. Yeah.
Oh my god, Jungkook.
J-Hope, Jungkook is rapping.
자신에게 물어봐 언제 네가 열심히 노력했냐고
Money. Jin is serving looks. Okay, that is actually pretty good. Wow.
Jimin.
Oh, okay, so that clipping was also Who is BTS, right? Yeah. So
I
that's
think
from
that
this.
was from no, but I think that was from a stage performance.
Yeah. But like, this is where it came from.
Yeah.
Jin is like, just cast him in a K-drama already. Jimin is like a baby.
Seriously.
Oh my god. Wow, I like this. I really like this. Oh!
Oh my god.
Wow. I bet nobody else had abs like that at that time, like Jimin. Like now everybody
Yeah,
has, but back at that time, only Jimin could have pulled that off. off those glasses and we'll be fine, Aaron. Wow. Ooh. Like Jungkook. Lift him up.
Oh, the bad boys.
Wow. Look at Jimin's socks. Oh, okay. Oh. Like, did they have that much of budget or that's just CGI? Oh. I
Seriously.
enjoyed it. I really did.
Outstanding.
I'm not even lying.
That
I'm not
was
even kidding.
so much fun. That was so much fun, God. Oh God.
Yes. That
Jimmy
was so.
was looking like a baby there. And V doesn't age at all. I mean,
V?
he still looks the same, yeah. He still looks the same.
No, I think he was looking like a kid in this one. He was.
I just felt like that
But
he looks
okay,
the same.
at first I was like, I was excited, but I did think that I'm going to get like second-hand embarrassment from this video. But this actually turned out to be really good.
Yeah.
Like in all seriousness, the song is pretty good. Okay, let's talk about the video now. The song was pretty good. I think that's established because it has
Listen,
over 200 million
RM
views.
RM wore those glasses 7 years ago. Let me tell you, RM, you already established a statement because those sunglasses are in trend. Gucci, everybody, like every high fashion label sells them. And he literally wore it like he was looking, dude. Like
I
a
did not
little
like
dude.
those glasses. I was
No,
like
I
taking
didn't
them
like
off.
them. I didn't like them either, but it's just like that he wore something which is already in trend now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that thing is just
Like that was a bold move. That was a bold move.
Yes, that's
That's
exactly.
what you're saying. So
Yeah,
I think, but we like in the whole video he was wearing glasses, either like the shades or those,
Yeah.
and we didn't
Yeah,
get
the
to see his
square one.
beautiful eyes. So
Uh-huh.
that's a disappointment.
Yeah, but they look so different. I mean, they have tried every genre. They have tried every category. They've literally not left anything. Either it's
Can you
rock,
imagine?
it's soft.
Can you imagine these 7 guys gave us Black Swan? Like
Yes. Like literally.
that is called BTS. Like you can
Yes.
expect anything and everything. Also, I have to say that J-Hope was looking the best in this video. Like, what's up with
Indeed.
this hair? Like, his hair was back and he was looking so fine, and now, like, all his hair is always on his forehead. Why is that, bro? Give me this hairstyle again. I need
Yeah,
this. He was looking
seriously.
so good. And Jimin was looking so cute.
Yeah,
Jimin
Jimin was
was-
looking cute. In fact, can you believe like Jungkook is the one who's the youngest, and yet
Yeah.
Jimin was looking like the youngest.
Yeah. Because like his cheeks were so cute and his face was
Yeah.
like such a child. Like if you pay attention, then you will know that obviously Jungkook is the youngest, but still like Jimin is like he has this cuteness. He still has that innocence and cuteness to him.
He's very shy, and that is actually depicted on his face. Like he's quite
Yeah.
shy,
And
and
Jin-
Suga's attitude was still there.
Yeah,
Hey, this
Suga is
guy-
like he's the most consistent one,
Yes.
and V's like iconic, like
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
iconic step.
Exactly.
Was there? I didn't know that it was in this video because when we saw Who is BTS, that was a live.
Yes. Where he was looking
And who
cute
is
with the
that?
glasses.
In Jin. And I have to say, like, Jin in these videos, he does not look like he belong here. It looks like he belong in a K-drama
Yes,
or movies.
he does. Definitely he has a personality like that, like a
Yeah.
K-drama. And when I saw him in that
completely
I
different.
Need You, he actually gave that lead actor vibe. He was looking so good.
He
in
was,
that
I think,
role.
at that time, it has to be like he was the face of the group. It has to be that.
Yeah, could be. Like,
Jin.
in fact, so far I don't even know who's the face of the group. Like, V is the face of the group.
I don't think there's like one particular face of the group
Yeah, because
now. But I think at
they
that
are a
time
whole
it
new
had
look.
to be Jin.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. And Jin
Could
and
be.
Jimin was like the body of the group. Wow.
Abs. Oh my god. And that step, like where he took it in his mouth, that shot, and then he was like doing the wave.
Right.
Oh
That gave
God.
a lot of people a lot of dreams. Yeah, but like in the start when they came in the bus and their intro, like that gave me I thought it's going to be cringe, but it was not. Like video
Yeah.
can be a little bit here and there, but that's fine because it's so old and it's their first. But the song was actually pretty good,
Yeah,
so
and
good.
there's-
Also, we
and
did
their
not
bus-
get to, yeah.
And their bus had no number plate but just BTS written on it. And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
good to go.
And I think that yeah, that's I mean, no one else need any numbers after that.
Yeah.
Also, I think, like, what was I saying? Sorry, I forgot. Yeah, I was saying that this video did not have English captions. So, we did not get to read, but we wouldn't have read anything anyways because the video is like, you cannot take your
Yeah.
eyes off of it. Yeah,
Yeah,
but this
that
is
is nice.
everything that I wanted from and more from the debut video. I was really excited for
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah. It definitely, certainly stood on our expectations.
Yes. And the debut video has over 200 million views. Jesus. Yeah, that's the power of BTS Army.
Yes, army. So, this is it for today, guys. And if you want more reaction on any other video, do let us know in the comment section and like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share our video. And we'll see you in the next one.